This is Amazing Minds. I'm Praveen. Take one. I have 4 AWS certifications. I've got 2 associate and 2 professional. I'm a certified solution architect. I'm a certified DevOps engineer. Associate level certification takes about a couple of months, but professional ones are usually very hard. They could take anywhere between 4 to 6 months. You need to be able to build those services for you to be able to pass those exams. Cloud is always changing. AWS at the moment has 100 plus services. New features are launched every single day. New services are coming up regularly. If you're not upskilling, you'll be left behind. There is a really wealth of experience in our team, a lot of certified engineers, and even the account management team, a lot of us are AWS certified, and we keep upskilling ourselves very regularly. I'm an inquisitive person by nature, so I like to read up on the technical stuff. If you want to move in that direction, you need to be inquisitive as well. If you're looking to work with AWS technologies, my advice would be to constantly learn, experiment with those services, get all those certifications under your belt. That's the only way to go.